Good evening, I'm Navya Singh and I'll take you through the news that matter and deserve your attention today. A 14-year-old girl who worked as a domestic help was allegedly gang raped by a 17-year-old boy and 3 others. The police has identified 4 people and has taken them into custody. These 4 accused have now been booked under relevant sections of the IPC and the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act or the POCSO Act. All the flights to and from the United Kingdom have been banned in India till 31st of December over a new strain of fast-spreading coronavirus that is said to be 70% more infectious was reported in the United Kingdom. Now, it's not just India, but several other countries have also imposed similar restrictions. This ban is likely to come into effect starting Wednesday, and all the people arriving from the United Kingdom before that will be tested on arrival at the airports. In another major news, the Bharatiya Kisan Union, which is the biggest independent organization behind the farmers' protests, has been asked by a central agency to submit its registration details that allows it to seek foreign funds. Now, this comes after the association on 6th of December had asked or made a public appeal asking for financial help to go ahead with the protests. After Uttar Pradesh and several other states, another BJP-ruled state, Himachal Pradesh, has now introduced a stricter law to tackle instances of forced religious conversion in the state. Now, according to the recent legislation passed in Himachal Pradesh, it also includes provision of up to 7 years of imprisonment for the accused. The state government believes that such a strict and effective legislation was needed in Himachal Pradesh because there has been an increase in forced religious conversions in the state. Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan has said that India may begin vaccinating its population against COVID-19 by January, and also said that the government's top priority is the safety and efficacy of the vaccine. The minister also said that the scientists and health experts in the country have been working tirelessly for the development of an indigenous vaccine, and also said that the country will be able to vaccinate about 30 crore people in the coming 6 to 7 months. That's all for today, and I'll be back with some more important news tomorrow. Thanks for watching.